What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Days with Wade. I was browsing on YouTube the other day and I came across a Pewdiepie video, which I always have time for Pewdiepie. He was announcing a book review 2025, which I'm really excited about. Essentially, he's made a book list to read, one book per month, and it seems to be very much classical literature, Buddhism, Stoicism, a bit of Nietzsche, mainly surrounding philosophy. And these are books that I've always wanted to read, so I thought what a fantastic opportunity to do it as well. He talks about how these books have really resonated with him. He's learned quite a lot and he keeps revisiting them again and again. So I kind of found this quite interesting. So I thought with the new year upon us, there's no better time to jump into something new. So I'm going to be following along with him, also doing my own videos, giving my own thoughts on the books that I've read and just breaking them down for you guys. So if you're interested in that, I've linked his video in the description below, along with the books for the year, if you want to find out more. If you just want to wait and hear what I have to say about them, that works as well. So the first book of the year is Tao Te Ching by Lao Tzu. I ducked out to the library today to pick up some copies. They actually had two of them, so I thought I'd grab both of them, and they're quite short, so I was just going to read both of them and see what happens. So hopefully that inspires you guys to jump on board and give reading a go as well this year if you're not much of a reader. It's so easy to come up with excuses as we don't have enough time or we don't need to. And it's so easy to jump on your phone, on whatever social media of choice, and just start wasting time. So let's swap those bad habits out and do the challenge together. I've also made a YouTube short about how to reach 10,000 steps a day without even trying. It's a really good video. Essentially, you're pacing around your house whenever you have a free moment, whether you're on your phone watching videos, but, and I don't like this saying, two birds with one stone. If you can read while you're pacing around your house, that's so much better. There's so many benefits to doing this. I know it sounds quite simple and quite silly. Just walk around your house like a lunatic. Sometimes you can't always go for a walk outside. Maybe it's not safe. Maybe it's night. Maybe it's too hot, too cold. You can always, if you have spare time, you can always just walk around your house, and it doesn't take any time to get ready. You can literally just get up and start walking around the kitchen, and it helps you digest your food as well, and just helps you relax and de-stress from the day. So I highly encourage looking like a crazy person in your kitchen and walking around your kitchen island or whatever space you have available with a book. That way you'll be doing two birds with one stone, exercising your body and your mind. So let's start 2025 off with some good habits. Come and do this reading challenge with me, or watch me as I go through it. And if you guys like the video, make sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe so you don't miss any more awesome content. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.